Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? It's Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and I'm here in Irvine. We're doing a just quick video update, just kind of update you guys throughout the process of where we're at as far as this floor goes. Now, we did the installation upstairs. We did the stair treads. We did the risers. You know, upstairs is pretty much good and ready to go. We started sanding downstairs yesterday. So let me go ahead and take you guys through and we'll see what we got here. Excuse the noise. Nope. It's all putty on the floor. Both floors puttied up. They hit it with the 36. They hit it with the 60. Got our guy here on the edges. This has putty. Got my guy here on the Hummer, hitting it with the 36. So we still have to sand this part of the house with the 36. Well, let me take you upstairs to kind of go through there, see what that looks like. So these are the treads we installed. Right around there, they had a set that came out, leaked out like this. We took that out, put that in. Now the treads and everything has been sanded down with the 100 grit. So let's show you guys what we got. Look at that nice little design of the curve. Then master bedroom. Like I said, everything up here has been pretty much sanded down. Been sanded. It is just ready to be stained, and we got the stain today. So turn this thing around. So up here, basically, we're gonna have to stain up here. We're gonna run the buffer, get everything nice and smooth. Throw a couple coats of finish up here. Downstairs, they are still going to be sanding and stuff like that. So we'll do another video update in a little bit, and we'll see where we're at. See how far we can get for today. All right. So everybody have a great day. Take care, everybody.